Today we've got a very wonderful guest, beautiful garments, everything from head to toe.
I started staying in Nelspruit in 2016. Yes, so 2018, I was like, Nelspruit, Timothy, it's Swati-speaking people. People in Nelspruit, they love Swati culture.
Cool.
And even though kukhona la kunesikhebe sikhona loopholes that I need to fill up, yes. Ube nalo leli phupho.
Ulibona ngathi
likhashane leni because of imali.
Imali it's
yes.
one thing lengabulala.
Imali it's one thing lengabulala and nangabe ungumuntu lo sheshe ugive up empilweni ungadikhanza nje ujika lithawula uthi
Hello family, welcome to Heal, Rise and Thrive with Dr. Nhlanhla. Today we've got a very wonderful guest, beautiful garments, everything from head to toe. She is speaking volumes. Says Thandi, welcome to the show.
Hi, Dr. Nhlanhla.
How are you? You're making me feel like I'm amongst the royal family, you know?
I'm very well, thank you. I'm blessed.
We are blessed to have you here today.
Yeah.
I can't get over looking at you. I'm like, why
next time, Dr. Budlisa, siyavunula
sigqoke. Hey guys. I'm correct. Ngiyafunda manje sengiqalile. People say ekudeni mama. Can you please introduce yourself to us? Who is the person, the woman, the powerhouse that we are seeing next to us? Who is she and what stage of her life is she in? Ngwebani?
Thandi Dlamini. I'm a mother, first of all. I'm a mother to two beautiful children, a daughter and a son.
What? God bless you.
Sebakhulile, yeah, they look like my siblings now.
Really?
Yes. Like you have seen on my biography, yes. I was born and raised in Swaziland. Then I moved to Mpumalanga, Nelspruit. Yes. So I'm a cultural person. Yes.
It's out there. we all can see.
But they can see. Like I'm a cultural person. I love culture. Basically Swati, but yes. I do embrace other cultures because there's somewhere where we meet as African tribes. Yes. So that is me. I do imvunulo. I slay in my cultural attire. I'm not scared to show up. Attire I'm just Swati. Yes.
So says Thandi, ubuya kuphi ekhaya ngikuphi emgodini wakini kumbe sekuthini?
Esigodini
sangakini.
Okay, ngitelo ngakhula eStegi in the Lubombo region. It's closer to the Mozambican border. Yes, I grew up eStegi. Ngafunza khona. My dad, Babe Dlamini, he's from Egundvini. Lamagama eSwati. We are from Egundvini Royal Crow.
Yes.
Originally, but eStegi bengikhule ngihlala ekhabo make ngihleli nebatali labadala make bomkhulu nagogo bengiya ekhaya yes ngivakashe ngibe khona but lokuthanza iculture it grew up on the side yababe because you know the Dlaminis bakadlamini eSwatini it's a kingdom of the Dlaminis. Yes, so that's where nga develop loluthando because my dad will say, guys, you're going for the riddance. Yes. I used to attend Umhlanga from an age 9-10 years. Yes, when I was still at primary. I attended Umhlanga up until I was 24.
That's beautiful. You know, you say that I've got two beautiful baby sisters from my stepfather.
Yes.
They are the Nkosis also, but they here based in Nelspruit. You know, 2 years ago, they came to me and said, Sesi, we want to go Emhlangeni. I'm like, hey.
Okay,
I was so proud. Up to this day, they like says we want to go there.
They haven't been there.
They haven't been, but it says we just want to go and experience it. Oh no, one of the one who is now 20 years of age, she went to visit the royal family. She had a friend, So they love that culture.
It's a beautiful culture.
They love it so much.
Culture.
Being that we know what's the Swati culture, it embodies how you present yourself, how you show up. It makes you be that person
and be respected.
To be respected, when you enter a room, you can feel intombi yomswati mayifika inathela unyathela uyeva ukuthi hayi kunyathele umuntu la. So kuba umuntu lo invested in a culture, how has it shaped you to the woman that you are?
Kungisite kakhulu, and the fact that being a person who is into culture, who is embracing my roots, people, they get to respect me, and I also respect people, because people will not respect you if you do not have. Yes, bakunika lo banika kona. So that's how kushape this woman who is Thandi Dlamini now. So culture yethu nje, it's all about respect. Ngoba thi emaswati ayahlonipha kakhulu, yes. Ngeke nje umuntu achamuke nje etela kimatipose nje. Angeke asikhulisanga kanjalo nami imena of approach yami kubamvu kubangilena lehlukile kunalabanye. Yes.
Kuva shem seswami. So your cultural work, when did you see it as something that I can say from the way you embody it as something that's a calling for you? La ubona ukuthi hayi la ngila ngibeke timpanzi tami khona, ngila ngifuna ukukhula khona.
Yeah. It was before 2020. I would say about 2018.
Yes.
Because I started staying in Nelspruit in 2016. Yes. So 2018, I was like, Nelspruit, Timothy, it's Swati speaking people. People in Nelspruit, they love Swati culture.
Cool.
And even though kukhona la kunesikhebe sikhona loopholes that I need to fill up. Yes. That's when ngaba like, because of lolu thambo ngale culture yami, ngaba like, it's been my dream to own a business which is about culture.
Yeah.
Yes, ngaba like, this is the time now. Let me grow it. Let me grow. Yes. Then ngaqala ke basically bengeng attend a cultural events.
Yeah.
La kakhona la Mpumalanga, like the Ummemo, yes, lego ebuklab course lob khona.
Yes.
I would attend those cultural events. At some point ngaba like, let me just get imvunulo.
Yes.
Because people will ask me, where did you buy your... Yes, lihiya lakho. I would go home, get nice mahiyas, ngibuye ngivunule. I was just doing it for myself and my friends. Bengihamba nabo ngidabanga bengiba like, guys, if we are going to this memo, let's put on this, then they'll be happy, most like South Africa. I had people from KZN that I used to stay with in Sheranapo. My girls, I was like, Sister Andy, we want to go, can we mvunula, yes. So, it grew up. I like, no, where I'm going now, ending at Diva, I always feel calm, ngiba relaxed when I'm doing my work. Yes.
Ngathi awusebenzi ngathi izone yakho space
ngiba so comfortable. Then I started nga-register vunula uhlobo cultural events. Ngaqala ke sebayangibita kulob course lob khona, more especially Ngomanzi people. The Ngomanes, they would invite me, bake bang invite na ku Women's Day yabo. ngahamba ngaba like yo guys kanzi kunje ngaba like akakhule vunulo uhlobe uyakhula ke vunulo uhlobe nyalo nje la ngitibona khona I've even done emahiya avunulo uhlobe this is one of the yes it's for vunula uhlobe so whenever I'm going somewhere I'll just rock up on my vunula uhlobe and then when they see the vunula uhlobe
bathi lapha ngathi sifuna kuyakhona
sitawuthola imvunulo yes and I also ventured ku-cultural events like whereby sitokhuluma ngala masiko ethu sifundisane sakhane yes because phela singemaswati we Africans
sidiqhenya
ngabo lobuve bethu yes last year I hosted Gusile Kwethu Cultural. I want because this is Mpumalanga. This is the place of the rising sun. Ngathi Gusile Kwethu. The new dawn.
Yo.
Yes.
It must be.
I did it. It was my first event.
How did it go?
Yeah, it was up and down, but I made it. Yeah, it went well, so perfect. It was amazing. Ngamangala when I sat down that evening.
So reflect.
Sengibuka ngiba like, guys, yo,
this
is me.
It's wonderful, looking at you and listening to you, as you utter the words you're uttering to us. They are full of praise. They are full of ukutitoba, and you're also proud of who you are. Ngiyavakala. So besicela nje usichazele lakhaya as a family ye-Heal Rise and Thrive no Dr. Nhlanhla. Sichazele ukuthi leli gama liphuma phi lela vunulo. You know what? Angifuna ukulimosha ngicela ukuthi usichazele no. Wahlala kwayenta kana ngohlele esihlahleni ophansi kwemthunzi welanga. Kwayenta kalani ukuthi how did you come about?
I think ungahleka like lo uhleka vele. I think ukuthi ngaqala kancane nje ngithi mangivunulile take pictures for my Instagram page.
Just for wena nje.
Ngibe like #vunula uhlobe. Phela thina emaswati when we are dressed up baye bathi bamfla batsala nihlobile. Nabathi uhlobile nje unothile, So my trends army on my Instagram page, my Facebook, bengiba like #vunula uhlobe. So that's where the name laqala lokuthi ngiyavunula ngihlobe. Then I was like, no, my baby is gonna be vunula uhlobe. This is my brand. Ngam register vunula uhlobe.
Yes. Yo, we are
proud. Register vunula uhlobe wabese soba umbrella yakusile kwethu cultural celebrations. Wafika kanjalo nje vunula uhlobe. Lokuvunula nje ngihlobe kube muhle.
Hayi shem, yathi kokuqala kuva umuntu athi ngihlobile ngavela ngathi buda ngathi sekwende njani. Ngijwayele ukuthi hayi sesinjani, hey umuhle. Hayi umuntu athi hayi uhlobile. Ngihamba ngobuda athi abantu ngathi mara angathi basho ukuthini ngithazele makathi umuntu ngihlobile usho ukuthini.
You look beautiful, presentable.
So what inspired ukuthi yebo ngiyeva ukuthi uthi bowutishuthela wendani but sonke siyakwenda lokho. Mani yini lokho akwenda ukuthi hayi wathi Thandi vuka bona lento le uyende kube indzawo lapho ukhombisa labanye buwena and ubasita nabo batibone ukuthi bona bangibobani nekuthi phinze undlulele uchubeke embili ufake ama events on this. Yini lokho akutshela ukuthi hayi
okay kuloko angitshela ukuthi hayi phela Thandi asusukume nyalo ubhekane nje nanangivunula uhlobe. The love of the culture first kungaba ngiloko, then lokunye lokwangenda ngibe like no nyalo angisukume. Uyabona imvunulo yethu nyalo lendlela lengakhona lemvunulo yeMaswati kungaba ngile yeMaswati because uyabona nemaZulu imvunulo yabo bachamu kanjani nayo and that encourages the younger generation to fall in love with the culture, with their traditional attire because phela thina enyalo bamvula bamhlophe bafike bathatha bathi gqokani nama-shirts fakani amabhluku sakhohlwa ngebungithi bethu cause phela lemuva our grandparents bongeke ukhanze bagcoke amabhluku the great bebavunula leti khumba tabo bambatha tona then ukuthi mangabe kulanga lekuthike kunemkhosi lothite bavunule that specific attire for that event ngoba phela imvunulo yethu nje nakhona longakuvunuli noma
makwenzeka kanje
yes yeah understand so ngaba like I want to embrace my culture and ke ngaba like purpose yale vunula uhlobe is to promote the culture, embrace the culture. Kuze inganokufa ingafi
ngoba kuningi phela manje lesekufako sekufika nabo AI sekufika nani
sisi enalo AI ngize ngithi abavalele asebayivale Nkosi yami iyasonela cause nyalo batawukhuluma batshele AI bathi ngivete
ngathi kumbe ngigqoke le mvunulo kanti zero le phela awusayiva mawuyiva lendo ihleli la sikhumbeni khona lesho kona ikukhumbuta something about yourself. That's great. So Sesithandi ekuhambeni kwalamhlabeni whether siya kuyiphi ijourney or sibheke ngakuphi sihamba sihlangabetane nema challenges
True.
So whether uba pregnant kuba netindo letifika igaba letiba khona like that's why most of the time when we refer to a dream or something that you aspire to have we say treat it as if you are a woman okhulelwe yabona so mawukhulelwa kule journey yakho lose ukuye manje yini tikigaba lokuhlangabetana nato what did you face that you saw ukuthi hayi la ngiyalima waphinze waphuma njani ungabe usicocele ukuthi hayi mina yebo manje ngiyangibona ngiqhakazile manje nginje kodwa ngeke ngabukana naloku kuze ukuthi ngibe la ngihambe la ngihamba la
Dr. Nhlanhla I wouldn't lie to you kuningi and phela vunula uhlobe usakhula because vunula uhlobe mina ngimbona akhula ngiyekela ngisho kamlungu
yes
ngibuka vunula uhlobe so kusese kuningi kule stage lengiso nyalo ngathi ngise ku stage 2
sesiyakhasa manje
ngisakhasa usakhasa lomntana yes so yakhasa so kulokukhasa kwakhe lo mntwana Nkosi yami lesinye isikhathi nje kuba ukuthi financial implications ube nalo leliphupho ulibona ngathi likhashane leni because of
imali it's
one thing lengabulala and nangabe ungumuntu losheshe ugive up empilweni ungadikhanza nje ujika lithawula uthi ngeke batobona labanye kani impilo it's not always about that kufuna kwekuthi timvo ubese so bathi ngeSwati lokunye uyakufukamela uyakufukamela and lokunye awusheshi ukukhulume yes ukukhiphe ngoba usamkhulisa lo mntwana umntwana nje makatalwa ekhaya thine eMaswati lekithi umfana uhlala 3 months endlini angabonwa noma ngangibani ngisho babo wakhe angamboni bese ke sekuba nalelanga lekwekuthi lo mfana sokhishwe endlini uyachakaza so tise khona ledingcinamba angifuni icambe mangasiswami yes but nje ngiyadinga emsa waNkulunkulu because konke ke lengikwendako God first
uNkulunkulu bathini mawukhipha makuthi kugcwele etshani lobukhulu uyachacha
akuqenzele
bengifuna lelo gama lela aqenzele bese uthi wena mase uphuma khani sowubona ukuthi hayi sekuqenziwe
lo tshani
bebungaka sebuye ku
yes so mina nje ngiyengiplan ngithandaze uNkulunkulu uyangiphumelelisela noma ngabe tikhona leti nginamba leti khona but nje ngiyengibona sengifikele embili lo kunye nje
bathi ufike njani nangu
ingosi yami ngimithela abanye bamfu lengingadikwe ukuthi batobamba isandla sami
because you'll never know
bangiside kwekuthi ngikhulise nangumfana lokhulako
that's why bathi umntwana ukhulisa umphakathi
yes
nalelo liphupho lakho limile likhona noma usalibona usalitotosa anye umphakathi mawungambida usonzele nakhona njengoba ushilo ukuthi siyadiqhenya sine baseMaswati impatho yakho iyenda ukuthi attract laba bantu labo labatokukhonisha ukuthi ubambe nangumntwana wakho umfake phakathi nihamba ngoba mawunga attracta lokhu wrong you'll end up umntwana alahleka phuma endleleni
akulimalele nanyalo nje ngila ku heal rise and thrive nadokotela it's because of bamvu lebangibonile lento associate nabo mina nje bengacabanga ukuthi ngake ngihlale nesikhalaphala sadokotela
angipaka amahloli
uqinisile
ngiyabonga mama Shem mara kodwa nathi siyasho ukuthi uyathi kuthini la uhamba khona empilweni mawungahlangana nalabanye abantu anye ukhona ukubona ukuthi lihambo lakho lihamba njani ngoba mawungadivalela uthi mina ngifuna kuhamba lihambo lwami this way ungabuka emaceleni uyathi usephambili uqangathi bohamba indlela le kahle
yes true
ujike sowubona ukuthi
hayi phela konakele
sekonakele lokuningi so mawukhona ukuthi uphonseliso ngala uphinze ulibuyisele lithi ubuke nakhona ukuthi uliphonsa
kubani ngoba phela naloko
kuyakhawunta kakhulu ngoba kuningi lokungasienda ukuthi siphume kule ndlela esithi sitshele ukuthi siyakuyo
sithi
but sibonga ukuthi uNkulunkulu ukubekile wayenda ukuthi nathi sibone ukuthi hey kufanele sikhumbule ukuthi singibokani
yebo Nkosi
ukuthi uhleli la uyasifundisa sihlele emakhaya siyalalela siyakubona nebuhle bakho siyabona ukuthi hayibo nakulokushoda
yes
uthi mina ngibuyaphi
kumthombo
yakubona so siyabonga mama for umsebenzi lo wendako sibonga kakhulu sibonga tandla taNkulunkulu leti kusita ukuthi ubone ukuthi bekune gap
yes
because isiphiwo lesivele sitribe sibe sihle ngilele sibone ukuthi hayi la kunendo leshoda
asesite
silungise nyana la ushilo wathi yakubona lama pothole letindo letikhona letishodako yebo kukhona lelithando la eNelspruit njengoba vele sithi Christmas yes that's why isitale sihalela sithi ngathi singaye eSwatini uyakubona nje njengoba ngikubekele ngathi naba abantwana basekhaya bahlale bangikhala basesi
umhlanga
yes
nabaye ngosami batokuya kulomnyaka
bayaya kwakumele so mama with all these things that happen siyathi ukuthi mawuhamba khona la ukhubeka khona o ugileka khona uyakubona wena lapho ulimele khona uthi thoba uthotshwa yini uyakubona umuntu makalimele bese umpha amaphilisi noma umthathela amanzi uyamthoba tinyawo wendlala yes how is your healing journey in everyday living things whether is ukuthi uphuma endlini uyahamba eofisini uyasho kamlungu uningi tinkinga kamlungu tiningi kakhulu sithi sibukana nato njalo kuze ukuthi ukhiphe ube ngisesithandi lo nesidima esinje ukuthi makudosa nhlanhla kubuka athi hayi mama lo muhle man bathi uhamba ngani konje
ngiyathela
ngabantwana yes yini lo ukusitawo ukuthi uhila njani konke letindo lesihlangana beta nawo ngoba manyeva ayonke indzawo
nakhona Dr Nhlanhla yeah kona kube khona inyukele indlela ngiphume emsebentini
yebo mama
where I'm working full time because uvunula uhlobe part time uvunula uhlobe unesikhathi nangiphuma ngo5 emsebentini between 5 and 10 ngila khona ngikhona ukuthi ngiphesha for uvunula uhlobe yes so ukhanzeke ukuthi ke ngibe ne rough day like I've said ngiyayithanza iculture and ku-culture yethu mina there is nothing lifts her up like listening to my cultural music yes. Gospel I do praise and worship mangiva nje ukuthi no I'm down ngafika endlini ngifake umusic wami ngithumise but bese kuba nalesikhathi khona ngene elicingweni lami ngibe like you know I just wanna like forget about everything ngithi Swati eSwatini ke labahlabeleli baseSwatini betile nje and basenda kwekuthi noma ngabe ungekho ekhaya ufile ngathi usekhaya noma ungaba seAmerica
net mabaqala
but once you start listening to the Swati beats yo mina ke nyalo uzathi umfana nami hayibo make kanilandlini sesitawudlabo salukazana sesitawuvuma noma singafuni ngoba kuna this and le bangichaze ngako bathethe ingoma lebethi khona kadzeni it's like ukuthatha from licilongo levangeli
bese uletha
ngendlela ngeversion
relate kuyo
so that's what they did mina nje down I would just listen to bahlabeli even nalambo malanga bakhona Bosan Shazy from home they always lift me up sometimes emsebentini ngithi ngiyascrolla ngidibana nevideo bangibone sengismile abathuhlekani ngibe like guys no nyalo sengiright
yo so sesithandi uyakubona nje emhlabeni khona la ufila khona ukuthi hayi la sekuhamba kahle kule season le yakho yempilo you know kuhle mangukuthi yebo siyakha lokunye sisakhula kuko but there's things that we need to celebrate
yes
you know how are you feeling now what truly reflects your season of thriving because you can still thrive while you are still working on something else yes
mina nje nyalo what reflects isizini yami it's when I see people calling me sisithandi sicela usichazele ngale mvunulo sifuna ukuthenga imvunulo uyathi kungenda ngibe like wow mvunulo uhlobe is going higher and higher yes uyakhula mvunulo uhlobe because angifuni icambe mangama ngisaqala it was just quiet but ke with people surrounding me they help me ukuthi do this
yenza lokho
udobona kwekuthi kutowendekani and it's happening every day I will get more than 5 people they want advice ngemvunulo they want to place orders they want to ukuthi ngibadesignele lihiya lelitsite for an event labatoba nayo so ngibe like okay
this is it
I
am doing well you know sometimes siyasaba lokho sithi shayela sithi well done
siyasaba angithi uba naloko ukuthi ngisangafiki kuleladala phakule step is less kanti phela kufuna siqale kuphila la sikhona khona celebrate lo lokuncane uNkulunkulu lasasiphe kona nyalo lo lokukhulu kuseda start celebrate futhi now
uhleke lo so mama with all of these things how do you balance and nurture your emotional and also your spiritual being ukuhlangana ukubamba ubumbe kube kunye kanjani ukuthi ungalahli indlela ungadekhohla buwena ungakhohlwa spirituality sakho ukubambe konke kube yinto leyi-1 ukuthi ukhona ukuthi kube ngilo sesithandi lo sengibona kona.
Ngicabanga ukuthi dokotela le ndlela lengikhuliseke ngayo ingiside kakhulu. Kumcoka ukukhuliswa abantu labadala. Yes, even though sebahamba my grandparents, but my parents are still there. And when I look up to them, ngibe nale hope yekuthi ngidawufika la ngifuna kufika khona, le support yabo. So basically whenever things ngibona kwekuthi ngathi kufuna kuba clustered, ngibe sengicabanga la ngivela khona. I pray as well. Ngibe like Nkosi, just take control over this, because kuko konke singaba bamvu as African people lokho kufuna sikwadi kwekuthi sibanako lokho ukuthi sinemvelaphi yethu. Yes, and we akufuneki sikhohlwe timphanze tethu, our roots. Yes, kodwa ke phela kuko konke nguNkulunkulu. Yes, mina nje nama ngiva kwekuthi no akukho kahle, God first. I will pray. Ngifaste. Lidvolo liyasebenza sis, liyasebenza lidvolo. Make bekathi ungakhohlwa and masuthandaza mbamba awuthandaza uhlele esitulweni.
Akwendeki.
You kneel down. Yes.
Kuze kusifinyelela ufune ufinyelele khona.
Yes, kungisita kakhulu ukuthandaza.
Sesithandi, yabo lampilweni we've got our lives.
Yes.
Umake, umsesi, umsebenzi, umphathi, uyadisebenza.
Nkosi yami.
Where is the balance? Siyithola kuphi? How do you balance a full-time career with your cultural work?
With my cultural work, Nkosi yami. Ngingathi go full-time career vele. I have to be there.
Yeah.
Like it or not.
You must show up.
I have to show up. 7 o'clock. Nangbe ngifikile kamlo. Like side hustling. I've got my beautiful daughter. Ngibe like makabona lokho ukuthi mommy she's drowning. Yeah, be like mngani, how can I help you?
Tell me. Ngitshele ngikusidenyana.
Yes, ase mngani, mina ngitoyenda lokho wena wende lokho.
Yeah.
So kuvunula uhlobe my daughter Nkosi yami, she always help me to balance vunula uhlobe, because vele mangibuya emsebenzini ngigciniwe lesinye isikhathi ngilohlala maybe etafuleni busy crafting something and sengiva sengigciniwe sengiyala athi buka mngani ulele
sowulele
ngubutile ukuthi nguside ku. So balancing vunula uhlobe, it's through help yemvanami. Yes, she's 20, she will be turning 21 in May. So ngibalansa ngana umfuleka ngiphayela uNkulunkulu. Yes, Ashem, she's also cultural, she loves culture. Uma ungambona uyahamba ayemhlangeni intombi lenkulu ivunule idlami ngeke edlamini lemhlangeni. Yes, so nguye nje lakaye angithwale and ke my partner Nkosi yami. Yeah, he always helped me to balance when it comes to young supporter. Yes, and the family. Yeah.
You know, having a family structure that's very supportive, given that nangu inzabate culture, yes, and then inzabate msebenzi, yathi ufike ekhaya utiva ukuthi hayi man angikhona, yakubona kube uve ukuthi naku bantu bayangisinza, yakubona. So kuba nemuntu lo ufika kuye endlini akuwelcome ngekandla letihomo. Kuyasita kakhulu. Ngabe angathi ukuthi ngidabe sengiphuma endleleni yena partnera umswati naye noma sike sajika sayabheka lenye indlela.
Oh Nkosi, he's also Swati.
Nithi no. Nihlala la anikhashana.
Sihlala la. It's also Swati. But ke mina nje makeva mangicala ngimtshela about this. Bekangasuye umuntu bekathanda culture. Basumpu bekathanda culture.
Umuntu oma-gadgets.
Bekavele nje abe like enkosi.
Sothini ya.
Sothini manje. Ukhuluma ngani? Kithi no okay. Mangabe umake ubakaso nawe nje ngaba like hayi baby funa ngikufunela imvunulo yakho bekanayo la nayo but bekanaloko ya
yeah
ngiyamata uThanza Tinfo mos uThanza Tinfo
letinhle
ngacala ngimendele timfo takhe temvunulo ode ngimva aba like you hila macebesha akho nami sengifuna lami yabo
Nalethindelo batisho makagqokile muhle.
So ngamenda unyalo nje so yangibude kuthi uya unini lo mmema wakangomani.
Yes.
Stohamba.
Samba nini?
Bengihamba ngejana mina. Bengihamba ngebhanje nemfana nami and maybe family sihambe ngithi ngikhapheni guys siye kummema bang invite nyalo naye so yafuna kuye.
Yabo the power of somebody seeing something live in you.
Yes.
You know, maso iphila into umuntu ayibona ayibone kuchakaza kwayo. Iyabida. Into lenokotelana ibida lokhu.
Ibida tinyosi.
Ibida tinyosi. And the tinyosi mase tifikile. Tikhona. And wonke umuntu uyabona ukuthi hayi la.
Lapha kusho kuna
something lehle. Yiyo lento le. Okay, sis Thandi. Ngiyeva sekhuluma ngentombi yakho. Ubale bani lababili la. Lolo munye yena. What are his hopes? What are his dreams? Yini lokhu umjabulisako yena?
Buti cause ngumfana lo lamasis. Yes. Uyayithanza imvunulo, uyayithanza iculture but unaloko ndenga yabo. But nje uba like mina bobangithu bantu abami. They've got full attire. Yes. Idulile imvunulo
iyadula
futhi ke idulile imvunulo more especially le yabo bhuti ukudila la majobo nje and phela nala majobo kuba khona lokho ukuthi angifuni kuvunula lijobo lelishiphile yes mali shiphile uyati ukuthi lingimalini 900 rand
Ukushipa lokho phela kusekushipa.
Akusikushipa. Khona umvula kede nje ngisho 200 rand ukuyothenga umhelwane. So Buti Shem naye isikhathi lesiningi bekahlala boarding school. I think ihlala hostel bekumenda letinye timfo timshiye. But magna something nje le traditional. Abe like mami
uyacela kuvunula
nase esikolweni ngeculture day bengihamba singimikisa imvunulo sisi.
Yo
atovunula yes so bampa bambo babili I would say they are also rooted in the Swati culture bayakhula nje bakhula naloko ukuthi phela singemaswati thina kufuna siphathe kanje.
That's good.
Yes. Ngisho sisi nje ngimtshele ngibe like emngani infombatane ayitiphathi nje sinome kanjani ngeke nje uhambe uphike kumala emgwacweni nje wena utokhulu ube ngumfatilo njani uyabo so kuba naloko nje even nakulabantwana lokho ukuthi phela kumele nitiphathe kahle
kuhle mama ngiyakuba sesithandi kodwa lokhu liqiniso loliphilako siyakubona wena ungisesithando niphile kazi lofuna kuyishiya lamhlabeni maminyaka seyihambile noma usaphila yini lo ufisa ukubona lokuthi this is my legacy, this is what I'm proud of, I have left this and it's a print that I've left as usesithandi.
When talking of a legacy because nje right now kuvunula uhlobo I'm building the legacy lo tawuthi mawungena ku etingwadzini temlandvo wesinfu ukhanze kunavunula uhlobe uvunula uhlobe ifounder yakhe ngithanda idlamini yes and-ke nalabantwana ngibatshele ngibe like guys la kuvunula uhlobe we are building a legacy we are generational wealth yes and-ke phela vunula uhlobe loko simaka asimakheli thine nalalabetako kufuna bakhanze kukhulunywa ngemvunulo kukhulunywa ngemasiko eSwati ukuthi siwavikela kanjani yes kungaba ngiloko nje cultural Swati yes sivikele masiko
lethu so ma kunemuntu wesifazana indvombi noma make noma gogo ngoba uthola breakthrough akuna age lohlela abukela lapha athi uyambona nangisesithandi umama Thandi make Thandi
yes
yini lo ungampha kona lokungamguide or kumakhe kumtshele ukuthi yes uyangibona nginje nami yebo ngisayakha ngisatotosa nangumntwana nami kodwa ngimile I am standing tall and I'm doing this. What advice would you give them at home and say you also can do it?
Ngingathi liphupho lonalo lilandzele follow your dreams yes noma ngabe khona lokungazama ukuphatamisa la kule journey
yes
but focus yes in order ukuthi whatever dream that you have litofezeka lichakaze ngalenye ilanga yes kungaba ngiloko nje dihloniphe and hlonipha liphupho lakho yes believe in yourself yes then konke lokunye kuyachamuka
so mama I wanted to ask kulesikhathi esiphila kuso umuntu wesifazana umfati umake uthini kulesikhathi samanje lesesihamba siphangisa kangaka
and siyaphangisa Dr. Nhlanhla Nkosiyana
sesishiyekile phela
siyaphangisa kakhulu kodwa ke noma siphangisa lesikhathi musa kusiyekela sihambe ngasiyekeli sihambe always try to catch up yes ungahlali futhi ngoba inkinga yethu siyesibese siyavila lapha usanga ngiphike ukugijima ngoba isikhathi siyagijima nawe
gijima naso yathi mawusho njalo kunalendo yokuthi kwaqala kungena bo WhatsApp maningi lapha hey ngikwadloka ngeni mina lapha yalo literally nomuntu lona 79 years of age they are using it. It's about, are you taking the train now or are you going to take it when everybody is already there? Now you're starting to learn it.
And it's also muva kakhulu wena. So nje ukuthi bamfla abadzala mina my dad will be turning 70 very soon. Uku WhatsApp
hey
uku Facebook
yonke into
simkhulu ufika kanjani ku Facebook athi hayi angifuni ukusalela emuva funa kubona timbo my mom uku Facebook uku WhatsApp ngibe like hayibo na TikTok isenikhona bathi hayi lapho siyabuka ke ngithi ne angifuni nje ningihlaze nginikhanzisele ndema content
content
emakhenensi nakatangihlekisa bathi nakumake wavunula uhloko.
Mara, you know, sometimes, you know, when you are a person who is engraved or who is grounded in culture, people misinterpret it for somebody who's behind.
Yes.
Because remember, for your brand to grow, you need to be a person who can affiliate with almost your crowd and your market must expand. It cannot be abogogo labaphatha umhlanga babita smemo bodwa. Kuba nema events. Business, corporate businesses, there's events when it's cultural day. You need, for you to be the one who they call, it must be somebody who they can articulate with. It must be somebody they can capture or get a hold of in means of technology. Angeke ngithi mina hayibo ngoba ngenda imvunulo sebese sengihlelile labantu lo badinga ukuze ukuthi bakufake le leather le lo toyigibela uqhubeke uye phambili uthathe lo mntwana umyende abe umuntu lophilako nomile. Yini le kwenda ukuthi ukhone kuhlanganisa lokho ngoba nako yebo siyabona ku-corporate which is something that's good, that's also helping your engine ukuthi keeps on walking and keep on going, uyabona, because bakhona laba kule business le kuyo ngetindlela tabo mara they are not touching that space. Lethi athi ngibambe nalapha ungaba advisor uthini and kuyini lokube kusuke kube lokubamba la muntu phansi kumende ukuthi angafuni ukuthi faka or atifake nebantu laba ngathi baseqeleni neculture kodwa kuba nalama events siyashada siba nema ceremonies siyaba nema celebrations,
my culture days. Mina ngikubonile Dr. Nhlanhla lesinye isikhathi bambo babulawa kwesaba. Uyabona mawunefiye letinye timvo awukhona ikudenda titokwendlula. Mina angisabi mina kuthi nje ngihambe ngiapproach umuntu ngibe like ngicela kwenda naku ngicela sende naku. So ifiye number 1 umuntu ingamenda kwekuthi angakhona ifeza liphupho lakhe ngoba usaba abantu. Angisiye umuntu lo loud nyalo nje at my age angisase nemvulo phuma out more often. Yes, but I make sure kwekuthi vunula uhlobe goes out there through social media.
Hey, this thing can take you. You can be here, but in Brazil.
Mangakutshela ukuthi mina ngisupply imehelwane lehambe yaye eKatar.
Uyakubo
through social media. So kulesinye isikhathi kufuna ungesabi usebende very hard.
Cool.
Kuvilapha nje ilaziness if you are building a brand angeke kuze kukusebentele. Work hard, do not be shy. Ungasabi lutho.
Because you know most of the time people don't realize the change makers, most of them are introverts.
True.
We can seem like we are doing it right now. But uthole ukuthi umuntu kuma family gathering just lo hlathi ithule lituvale ikamereni. Uma ngalisinjani? But they will tell you this one she keeps to herself. And you wonder, I'm like, look, this person creates content where she speaks to different types of people, different nations. She is articulating very well and she's out there. But it's one thing that Beyonce taught us. There's Sasha Fierce.
Yes.
And there's Beyonce Knowles.
Yeah.
Get into a character that makes you sell yourself, sell your brand, sell who you want the world to know. Because asithi utiyekele wena
kuba unomoya lophansi iba nemoya lophansi.
My business yakhe kuthatha ithi la ngicela ukhuluma uthi
kumele ukhulume kude phela nangabe utotitshela itawufa le business ngoba wena usaba ukukhuluma nami nje bengisaba ukukhuluma mangisekhaya ke hayi ngiyabagcinela ngikhulume when I'm with my family but nangilesinye space bongikhanza sengifika ngibamba. But when it calls lokuthi ngikhulume ngizokhuluma lesinye isikhathi ke bamfo bayibathi sithanza le ndlela lokhuluma ngayo ngisawu Nkosi yami.
Uyakubona wena bototivalele kamereni uyakubona. So sesithandi sesitovala seseduzane. If someone is listening to us today and they feel ukuthi hayi yabona mina akuhambanga kahle ngalakini, I feel very disconnected to imvelaphi yami, to my identity, you know, my purpose in life, you know, feels like ngathi seyibaleke kakhulu from where I come from. What message would you want them to have? What would you leave to them to say, yebo udiva ngathi imvelaphi yakho isalela ngemuva, yini lo ngabagcugcutela ngako ubaphe kona amagama ukuthi yebo uyakuphila lokhu kodwa 1, 2 and
3. That's a trick question. The road is tricky because kumvelaphi yethu we connect in different ways.
True.
We connect in different ways. There are people who connect spiritually. Yes. Makeva lo mvu ngathi so ulahlekile. Khona lokuthide. Lato kwenda kumconnect. Kumbuyisele active ka strong kuma roots akhe. Yes. Kuhlukene, but when we come to culture, yes, labanye bamvu culture bathi bayayizonda spiritual.
Yeah.
Sivela kufika nivela. Ebengathi wena ngoba umuntu lo cultural high so out.
Eish.
Yabo. Ngitokwendela example ending zengahleka la muhla. Yabo ngihleke. Create i-ad yavunula uhlobe iku Facebook.
Yes.
So because people they see me wearing imvunulo se bacabanga kwekuthi ngingithokoza.
Oh yebo. Wayisho wayishaya khona.
Kuthi interpretation ihlukile. Then on my business WhatsApp I'm getting calls.
Labanye bafuna kuthwasa.
Hawu, Nkosi yami ngidayisa imvunulo bekunene. Angisiyathokoza.
Yo, bacanga ukuthi lo unendumba lekhaya.
So bamfo baba interpreta ngendlela lehlukile, yes. Lo munye umuntu ngekuba cultural kungamenda a connect nebantu bakubo lasebalala, yes, and stock siyakuhlonipha lokho because phela sinedinkolelo tethu the underground gangsters bathi yini ba connect in Bluetooth connection.
Yes,
le nsha isho njalo.
So they was underground gang.
Bathi ke angeke size sibajudge nabo. That's how they connect.
It's their culture.
It's their culture.
It's the way bafila basonzele kakhulu.
Uyabo. So angeke sengikhulume kakhulu ngale because bangaze bathi yilo siswa kavunula uhlobe
kanjani kwenzakalani.
Mina nje ngiyayihlonipha i-background yemuntu, yes, indlela la ka connecta ngayo to cultural roots. Ngiyakuhlonipha kakhulu and my hands are always welcome for people nababe bafuna kubuta like nyalo nje. Ngiplana kwenda something whereby we're gonna talk about roots and reality. Yes. So angifuni kuba ngazuthi mine I'm this lo make lo wavunula uhlobe lo modern. No, angisiko kanjalo.
Uyibambe khona le kukho.
Ngibamba khona le kho.
Kuhle kakhulu lo. Hey singakhuluma sijule singaqedi ngasa mntasekhaya ngasa. So before ngifika ekutheni ukuthi la ekhaya sikuthola kanjani njani sifuna ukuthi sicale silusenaphi kancane njengoba bese sihambe sesibhekena kuma underground gang yakubona nje sesibhekele phakathi. So there's a game that we play la khaya just to loosen up before somebody can now tell us comfortably ukuthi simthola kanjani. We call it the fire round. So it's a quick and fun growth, everything. We just siyahlanganisa. So we're just gonna ask you 2 things and then you can tell us ukuthi ngikuphi lona lokusebendelako or choose kuphi.
Okay.
So sesithandi njengoba nje bese sikhuluma ngako njalo What do you choose between tradition or modern fashion?
Obvious tradition.
But can we make our tradition be modern fashion? You know,
you see, the way I dress up ngayo. Okay, because back in the days, bekuthi khumba.
Yes,
animal skins, and they have. But nyalo, the traditional attire, it's been modernized. It's lishisa and we bling our mvunulo like my neck piece. Back in the days, it was just a simple neck piece, but now we use crystal beads to touch it up. Even again, no mangabe uya ku events, but you don't want to be too traditional. You use the African print material and do something. Yeah, it's still traditional. Yes.
It shows ufaki personality yakho kuwo.
Yes,
you know,
yes.
The world of design ifuna ukuthi
emaswati nje siyasibe like masenda lama dresses and put this Swati materials, touch up. But
lo mswati
kuvela kuchaza nje identity yakho. Yes.
Noma kuyinto lencane. Kuyi-strip sakhona ukuyabona ukuthi hayi lo nebuswati.
So I always go tradition. Ngingagcoka khona pakethi impahla tebelungu ngemsebenzini, but kuba khona nje la khona kuthi nangabe ku special occasion i-theme yakhona makung red, I will rock up
yomfaka lo red abe aye ngale. We see you.
Yeah.
So are you a morning person or a night person? A night owl? Uthanda busuku noma uthanda early hours of the morning?
Early hours of the morning.
Is it because fanele ufike kamlungu by 7?
Nafike kamlungu. Busuku ngibuka vunulo uhlobe ngiyalala.
Siyaphumula.
I think aging nayo iya contribute eziqhubeka ukukhula.
Energy seyihambile.
So yamba nje uyojiva nalaba mfana labalingana nebampa bakho endlini bayakushutha.
Bathi nangilogo.
Bukani makweni. Sesangengela tikhathi te night person. Seyisendlini sis.
Nesicelele Matiya sihlalele endlini. Okay. So one Swati custom everyone should experience.
For me.
Into leyi one lokuthi maybe angisinge Mswati, ngimvenda, ngimsuthu, ngimpedi. Into leyi one lo ngathi hey hambe your experience utawufunza ukuthi umuntu lo Mswati makathi Mswati uyini.
The reed dance.
Bengilapho hambe uyobona buhle.
Ngilabona buhle bemaswati khona.
That's good. That's one thing. But even vele most people now vele batithanzelayo.
Yes, and they attract a lot of people.
So coffee normal tea.
Tea.
Okay, not gonna expand on that. Okay, imfundo loyifunzile wazwafika la. Your biggest lesson in life kule age lo kuyo yini?
My biggest lesson
so far, because your journey is still starting.
Yeah. Never trust people.
Ooh.
Never trust people. Better trust yourself because you know who you are. And if you decide to do something, utowenda lolo ku decide wena kukwenda. But wathemba umuntu lomunye angakushintshela nyala akutshele ukuthi lelitafula leli limnyama. But siyalibona lemhlophe but akutshele ukuthi no, this is black.
You know, I was speaking to my colleague yesterday. We had a meeting, and he asked me something, and then I answered. I said, "Yeah, I've done this and this and this, but he was like, Dr. Nhlanhla, stop there. Look at all the things that you've achieved. That only needed you alone. Did you fail in them? Zero.
Exactly.
Let's do all these things that you say you haven't prospered in. Did it have somebody else's hand?
Yes.
Because the thing is, we forget Uguti. When it's not only you. Mang nyenda metric yam. ngimi bekuqonzane nami ukuthi ngifunze ngibhale ngiphasi mara mangena tukwenzawo I'm sorry to use this maybe umshado idzinga lo munye umuntu lo part of this thing ukuthi ayihlanganise abekhona kodwa ngeke uyikherishe uyiwona so if you fail in spaces like business partnership or something don't say it's you. You know, and I sat for a while and I tried to digest it. Wangibuka muzodokotela wathi uyayidigest ngithi yeah because then I understand you know there's things that you venture into ube yi-one kwendeke fast hayi ubambe into nemuntu bese uphinze uthi twice emthwalo
ukhanzothela umthwalo lomkhulu be-depressed lokuthi sekukhona kanti mawuwedvana utithembe wena it's just you and naleyo
not to take away from collaboration but sometimes look at what has made you fail. Was it you entirely or did it need somebody else to put a hand and they were lacking in their parts? Okay, thank you so much. I was just expanding on your question, on your answer. It's a beautiful one. Trusting in self is the biggest thing that one can do.
Yes.
You know, one word that describes purpose yakho la emhlabeni, your purpose in life. You can make it 3. I always go to that one. And make it 5 or 3. I end at 5.
What describes purpose yami la emhlabeni? It's
It could be a sentence or something lo uyibona ngathi la mine ngingimi lo.
It's love. Embracing your roots.
Yes.
Yeah. Love and embrace where you come from.
That's beautiful because sometimes bayasho ukuthi mawungadi la ubuya khona anye uwadi ukuthi uyothandwa njani phambili.
Uyabo.
Baningi bahlabeleli labayendile ingoma bachaza
bathi
yathi lithando angiladi ngoba ithando lendoda angiladi ngoba benginganababi so if nginganayo ireference ukuthi ithando leliya kulomunye umuntu le gender lenye bese angisadi ukuthi ireference point yami
yini
so mawuthi la ubuya khona ngiko lokusita ukuthi wathi ukuthi mawucula kuya phambili utati nawe
utithanze.
That's a beautiful one. Family mina na sesithandi singakhuluma kuse size siyofika esiwathini sibuye saba siyaxoxa. So family, I hope you've learned a bit. We've touched on a lot of things. Know your roots. You don't have to physically always live in garments that are draped in you, being a Tsonga, being a Swati, being a Zulu. But when you've got reference of where you come from, it helps you to know ukuthi there's a grounding space that I can go to and say, Ngingimulo. So siyabonga kusifundisa sisithandi siyabonga kakhulu and siyathi ukuthi usatobuya sichubeke sento lokukhulu la ekhaya nawe sesikujontshile vele sesikuthethe awusayinzawo you're not going anywhere you are hours wethu asafuni next ngawe
hayibo ngiyajabula in fact ngiyaba part of the family the Heal Rise and Thrive family.
Yes,
ngiyabonga
kakhulu family. We will see you next time. Look out for Sesithandi. She's coming with more. Bye-bye.